My name is Kirsten Zweers and I'm Global Information Security Officer at a digital agency. So being a digital agency, we have to pioneer in the area of AI. When you go online, you see a lot of very restrictive policies and content, and I would like to have a little bit more views and visions on that. So that's why I'm here. How I can do effective risk management for AI, and how I can apply existing frameworks to the use of AI, and then also how can I make meaningful business decisions or help support meaningful business decisions. We have some nice workshops that can help you apply those theory and definitions into some real-life practices. I very much like the examples that the instructor gives, so it brings it back to the real world. It's important for my company because we work in the brand marketing and technology areas. We want to gain and maintain a competitive advantage when it comes to AI. If your company is in any shape or form involved with AI, I think it's a must. Even if you're technical or if you're more governance oriented, it's always good to enhance your knowledge on it and to at least understand how you can apply best practices to your company when it comes to AI governance.